Austin from Jumprope, and in today's video I'm going to share a couple of video ideas that you can create for the tech category of Jumprope. The first idea is to create a video around a specific software. So maybe you are a pro at using Google Sheets, or maybe you're an expert on all things Adobe. You can pick one product or platform and create a tutorial walking someone through how to do something using it. The next idea is to create a video about a specific piece of hardware. So maybe that is your computer or your TV or a drone or something cool like that. And you can create a video explaining how the hardware works and how to do different things related to the product itself. We have tons of bloggers and content creators using Jumprope, so one idea for a video tutorial that lots of people would be interested in is how to do things related to a website. So whether that is Wix or Squarespace or WordPress, if you are an expert at one of those platforms, you can create a tutorial video that shows someone how to use different features of it, how to get things set up, or fun tips and tricks. Another type of video that performs well is hacks videos. So maybe you know some different iPhone hacks or different hacks with a Bluetooth set of speakers or AirPods or headphones that you can show off too, and those videos are always great to watch. Another idea for a video you can create is a video related to a specific app. So maybe it's all about how to add music on TikTok or how to download playlists from Spotify, or maybe you even want to make a video all about how you use Jumprope. So pick an app that you love and try creating a video tutorial around that. And the last idea is creating videos around how to store and take care of your different tech equipment. So maybe that is how to pack a camera bag if you're on the go, or how to store your wires without getting tangled, or a number of other things. So get creative and think about video ideas on that topic too. I hope this video leaves you feeling inspired to create some videos for the tech category on Jumprope. And if you ever have any questions, you can always send us a DM on Instagram at Let's Jumprope. Thanks for watching.